The car is still not starting. All right, let's get this little heat lamp a little bit of time under here. Then we'll try it again. Okay, so I've had this little heat lamp under there for a little bit. I popped the hood up to see if I could feel anything coming up into the engine compartment. See if we get a little bit of heat on it. It'll start. It's almost like the starter was sticking. Let's try this again. Okay, let's try this again. Come on, baby. No key detected. Key not detected. Touch switch with key. Oh, what the heck? The key. Oh, the key's using my wife's purse.